I think what I'm going to do is this could all get grounded down a little bit here. And I'm gonna work in this in parts. So for this, I know I can put, you know, a bunch of tack welds in here, clean this up, get it nice and smooth, seal it up real nice. Behind this is all weld-through primer, so this isn't gonna rust. But for this corner, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend this piece a little bit, so just to kind of cover up all this and actually get a nice seal in this. Because all behind this is this black rust proofing. We did that just before, and this piece that's here is actually with weld-through primer. It's kind of like this color here. So I'm going to grind this down. We're going to get this all sealed up nice. Then I'm going to make a little patch here. I'm going to have weld-through primer on the back of that patch. Patch all this up. We'll grind all this down, and I'll get this nice and smooth to go here. And then I'll probably do another patch for this V, because I don't know if there's metal behind that. But we'll make a nice V in there. Do a nice V patch. Weld that down, grind it down, and then same thing here. We're going to grind all this rough stuff down, and then we're going to weld that back up. And this will be, I mean, this is already solid in there, but it's just going to help with rust proofing more than anything. So this is going to get pushed back a little bit, but overall it's going to be a solid piece. So I'm going to clean that up, and we're going to make this look real nice. Alright, so now just got finished welding in that extra piece. I'm going to weld that solid here, grind it, clear it down. It's good as gold. I rust proofed all behind that. So now I just have this to go. So I'm just going to weld this part solid. I got to weld this corner and then make a new piece for that top and get some rust proofing in the back of that. I can actually get to the back just underneath that fender. So that won't be a problem. So that's what I'm going to do next here. Alright, so now I got this all welded up, grinded down a little bit, and I have a little piece there, and then we'll finish that off and clean up the rest of this here.